Dear students and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on Carnot cycle chosen from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry and selected from Unit 2nd Thermodynamic 2. Before proceeding of our lectures today, further, once again I repeat the necessarily scientific terminology, basic conceptual fundamental equation of Carnot cycle. In our previous lecture, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice, focus towards that topic and basic conceptual of Carnot cycle, in which we were expressing about, we were defining about Carnot engine. Carnot engine or heat engine is nothing but it is the chosen device, imaginary device, selected device in the universe for the conversion of absorbed heat into that is of its equal fractional amount of work done performed here. Similarly, the second scientific terminology involving into Carnot cycle was heat reservoir. Heat reservoirs are the devices having the constancy of the temperature. It may be further that is of two types. First one, heat reservoir, that is of heat source. Here, heat source is connected with second reservoir, that is of sink. First one, that is of heat source. Heat source is the system having the same temperature but expressed as that is of higher and symbolized by that is of T2. Secondly, the heat reservoir is shaded, is known as for sink, having the constancy of temperature and expressed as low and is symbolized by that is of T1. You know here, in this case here, heat engine is connected with that is of heat source plus Q2 heat is absorbed by heat engine from heat source. Work done, work is performed by heat engine. After performing of the work, rest heat is now transferred to that is of sink. Dear students of BSc Part 2, we will derive one by one the calculation of the work by using that is of Carnot cycle. The graphical representation I am drawing on the blackboard here. You know the whole Carnot cycle is formed, is computed with the sum and with the addition of 4 thermodynamic process here. Carnot cycle is formed here. In Carnot cycle, graphical representation A to B denotes here isothermal expansion, B to C adiabatic expansion, parallel next one C to D, which is parallel but in opposite sign, represent here isothermal compression. Similarly, D to A, which is parallel to that is of C to B. Since B to C denotes adiabatic expansion, it's parallel but in opposite negatively sign. D to A step curve shows us adiabatic compression. Hence, by the connection of various steps process, a complete Carnot cycle is now formed here. Hence, the calculation of work in Carnot cycle based upon the following 4 steps I have mentioned on the blackboard here. A to B, from that is of isothermal expansion, B to C adiabatic expansion, C to D isothermal compression, and D to A, that is of adiabatic compression here. First of all, I will deliver today, I explain about thermodynamic process of A to B. Let us calculate in every step in the process one by one. I am going to calculate in first one, that is of A to B process, which is known as isothermal expansion here. In this process, it must become essential to write down the theory. I am demonstrating to explain that is of A to B here. Figure 1 shows Carnot cycle. It's parallel to. One can explain by drawing a simple diagram here. The big box is connected right hand direction. This device which is present in circle form to denote as sink, square form to denote as that is of heat source. Mid of sink and heat source is connected, that is of heat engine. It can be explained here by this diagram here. You know here I am demonstrating here. Middle container chalk box denotes here heat engine. Right hand direction duster show heat source. Next one sheet denotes here sink. First one I explain here among the students here. Now heat engine is now connected with that is of heat source. It absorbs plus Q2 heat. It absorbs plus that is of Q2 heat connected here. Since we have assumed temperature as a constant and is symbolized by that is of T2. Look at the blackboard here. Now thermally allowed to expand here. It is evident obviously work done will be performed as that is of positive, symbolized by that is of plus W1. As we reach from point A to that is of point B, at the point of A, volume is V1, at the point of B, volume is V2. Since V2 is greater than V1, so automatically work done will be positive, and one can write as plus W1 is equals to RT2 ln V2 upon V1, because we have assumed here. I consider here T2 temperature of the heat source is now connected, and that is of isothermally keeping temperature a constant to allow expand here. Plus W1 is equals to T2 ln V2 upon V1 here. Its rest part and next part of Carnot cycle we will deliver in the classroom tomorrow. Thanks a lot.